Today, the team heads to Braun Ambulance. Braun creates some of the most innovative and tough ambulances in the United States. Each one of their ambulances are custom made and assembled by hand. Quality and safety is priority on these ambulances. Yandere and Cornell must not only assist Braun, but also meet these standards as well.
Yeah, I'm glad I slowed her down. She looked like she was a little bit scared to run the brake press. And there's your part.
This is horrifying.
Cornell's side went on a little heavy. Okay. All right, this one's ruined.
Will they meet quality expectations?
We have a problem.
Find out on this next episode of American Made.
Oxygen, 0 psi.
What's in here?
We don't have any air in here.
Are you serious?
I don't know. There's
Are you
probably
serious
air.
right now?
It's really cool
There's
stuff.
like a ton of compartments and stuff.
I know.
Some of them are no. Oh,
Hi! Welcome to American Made, the next episode. It's really early today. 4 a.m. right now.
yeah. We had to get up at 3:30 this morning. I can barely even think. I think we're gonna need a ton of coffee today to make
Yeah,
it
lots
through.
of coffee.
But yeah,
Lots of coffee. But we are at Braun Industries. These guys make ambulances. They're a family-held company. They pump out 400 of these babies a year.
yeah. They're the largest ambulance manufacturer in the nation. That's privately held. So it's really really cool.
And look how much goes into this thing.
It's
A
amazing.
lot of sheet metal on this, so there's definitely fab, assembly, and painting, and it's like a hotel room in here. I can't imagine how much the incredible amount of work goes into making something this cool. Okay, let's go get some coffee and build one.
Sounds great. Here we go.
Alright.
All right. Good morning.
Good morning, I'm Gary.
I'm Cornell.
Hi, Gary.
Nice to meet you, Tom.
Nice to meet you.
Good morning, welcome to Braun Industries. I'm Gary Coles, Executive Vice President for Braun Industries. Braun has been in business since 1972. In fact, this is the first unit we ever built in 1972.
Oh wow.
Awesome.
Our production process is unique to the industry. We use what's called solid body construction, where it's a unitized construction approach. Builds very lightweight, very solid body. Holds up very well in accidents and situations like that.
Very neat.
If you'd like to see additional portion of our operations, Tom Braun, our IT manager, will be glad to take you through the process today.
I think it only makes sense to start at the beginning, so I think let's just go start at the fab shop.
Okay, cool. Let's check it out.
Nice.
Once again, the team starts the long journey of making a product. Today, we start with a CNC router.
DeAndre Cornell, this is Brian Ladd.
Brian, yeah.
He runs our Kobo router.
This is our little home computer right here. We go into the software bit right here for F2 to get into your files.
So okay, we're pulling up the program right now that we're going to cut.
Yep.
Okay.
Hit enter, and it transfers all the information over to this computer here. Hit input to bring it in. Title matches right here. Make sure that's the same. Then you're ready to load your sheet. What we're going to do is we're just going to let it fall right onto the sheet right here. And what we do is we line this aluminum up with this pin in the back of the table right here.
Well, fun.
I feel like this was an easier sheet load than I had to do.
No, this is really hard.
All right, here's your vacuum buttons. Go ahead and hit the first one, the orange one. Now hit your second one. What that is the first one, this is two separate tables right here. The first one is the vacuum system on this table. The second vacuum is this. We sucked down the whole thing. Now you can't move that. That's sucked down by air. Now all you should have to do is hit auto. then cycle start.
While the machine begins the routing process, the team drills Brian on the purpose behind using a router.
Do you guys only do aluminum or is it wood?
No, we do wood templates. We used to do wood cabinets. We do plexiglass. We do plastic partitions, which is the door that goes in between the cab and the box of the ambulance.
Yeah. And how do you decide what machine to put it on? Because I saw a punch machine over there.
Over here, you can't punch the plexi, otherwise it will break. Same with the plastic. You can't punch through the plastic because it's 3/4 inches thick.
Okay.
So you got to router that out. This has also got a larger table than the Trump. So anything that's 60 inches wide has to come over here. That only holds 50 inches wide.
Oh, gotcha. Okay, cool.
The router program is now finished, and it's time to unload the parts and take them over to the press brake.
And then with this oil and stuff here, we got to get most of the oil off, so we'll have to wipe it down with a rag. Because if they try welding it with all this oil on here, it'll start a fire. That's the same sheet I showed you earlier that we inputted in. What we do, did you see this number here? Yeah. You'll write that right on the part here.
7,000 amperes.
Then the sheet's ready to come off. You remember how you vacuumed it down over here?
Yeah.
You just hit them again, it releases the vacuum of the table. Now see how that's ready to come up. Go ahead and set it down. The easier way is just set it down like this. Let it fall down in there. Let the gravity do the work.
All right, that was really cool. Tom explained to me a lot about this router.
Yeah.
You can see on the table, it actually cuts into the table a little bit, so they have to change that out every once in a while.
Oh, wow, okay.
We talked about the tool bit. That lasts about a day or a couple days, and then they have to change the bit. The cutting oil that goes into the bit keeps it cool and sharp.
Yeah.
They're actually getting a new router tomorrow.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah, so tonight this one's getting torn down, and they're going to put in a new, bigger router that can take the large sheets. So ambulances are getting bigger, and they want to cut bigger parts. Next step for us is press brake.
All right, let's head over there.
Press brake.
So we're headed to the press brake now. It's a Cincinnati, it's a big one.
Ever heard of Cincinnati?
Yeah, of course.
This is our Cincinnati brake press.
Okay.
It's a 135 ton capability of bending. You can bend 14 foot across with a 4 foot extension on the end. I'll show you how we do this. This is our computer system for the Cincinnati brake press. You just go to open, and we got different files up here. You go into your part, you hit enter, and right there it's loaded. You have to go to correction, and it's already preset because we pre-program these ahead of time.
Okay.
So then all you have to do is hit cycle start, and it shows you exactly how your part needs to go in.
All right. So we're just gonna dive in and do it on the real one?
Yep.
All right, hope it works. How do we know which end to put in? Oh, we checked
Right
the
here, you
picture.
just look, it shows you exactly where your holes and everything is.
Okay. Yeah.
Out and to the right. So you're gonna go right here. And then it's gonna be bent on this side right here. So when we pick it up, if you want to get on this side, I'll show you how you pick this up. You just pick it up. Just like you're gonna scoot it up like this.
Oh, okay.
And that's gonna go in, just set it right on top of that die. And then if you want, go ahead and push on that pedal underneath your safety guard. Now it's gonna pull up for you once it clamps.
Okay.
So, now go ahead and watch your arm back here because it's gonna come up. Go ahead.
Oh, geez.
And now you stick this end in. It's gonna do the exact same thing on this side.
Don't get your chin over that thing.
All right, straight on here.
You gotta hit the pedal.
I'll let you hit the pedal
for
right
real?
here.
Okay. Oh, geez. Okay. Watch your face.
Oh gosh, yeah.
You got to go under. There's a safety guard right here. You can put your foot underneath.
Oh, under that. I thought I was supposed to step on that.
Yep, go ahead. Pick your foot up once.
Okay.
What that does is that clamps for the safety measure. That way it don't come up and hit you in the face first. Go ahead.
Jeez.
And there's your part.
This is horrifying.
That'll be your.
Like I was totally out of control.
That'll be the same part that you guys routed out.
I know, it was really scary.
Cornell decides to document her achievements by taking a selfie with Brian. Unfortunately, she may have celebrated too soon.
Right on this cart over here, Jan.
Where are we putting it?
Right here, this blue cart.
This cart?
Yeah. Don't let go. Okay. All right.
Got it.
What's up?
We have a problem.
What's the
We've
problem?
been 6 months without an accident.